Graph the equation, identify the vertices, foci, and asymptotes of the hyperbola. The subtraction, look and see which one is first. We have y squared subtracting x squared. So the y squared subtracting the x squared is telling me that it's vertical. The a value is underneath the y squared, so the a squared is 16. So the a is the square root of 16, which is 4. The b squared is 36, so your value of b is the square root of 36, which is 6. This time, to get our value of c, we use c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Your a squared is 16, your b squared is 36. Take the square root. 52 breaks down to 2 times 26. 26 is 2 times 13, so it looks like we have a pair of 2s with a 13 left over. That'll be 2 square root of 13, which is approximately 7.2. Starting with the vertices, our vertices are going to be 0, plus and minus a. Our a is 4. So 0, 4, and 0, negative 4. Your foci, they're going to be on the same axis as your vertices. So 0 plus and minus 2 square root of 13, which is approximately 7.2. So 2, 4, 6, 7.2, and 2, 4, 6, 7.2. Your asymptotes, are going to be y equals plus and minus a over b. A over b, that's going to be 4 over 6, which reduces to 2 over 3. So my y-intercept is 0. I'm going up 2 and right 3. Reversing it, I'm going to go down 2, left 3. For the negative 2 over 3x, you start at your 0, you're going down 2 and right 3. Up 2 and left 3. So we're using these things to guide us through. You've got to go through your vertices. So you get close to your asymptote, but don't touch. On number 10, we need a 1 here, so we're going to divide everything by 225. That ends up giving me x squared over 25. Subtracting the y squared over 9 is equal to 1. All I did was divide each term by 225. This time the x squared is first. It's x squared minus y squared, so we know it's horizontal. The a squared is 25, so our value of a is 5. The b squared is 9, so our value of b is 3. Our c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared this time. So our c squared is 25 plus 9. Now when you take the square root of 34, 34 will only break down to 2 times 17. So it stays under the radical. So our c is the square root of 34, which is approximately 5.8 for graphing purposes. Vertices. Okay, this time our vertices will be plus and minus a, 0. So plus minus 5, 0. The foci is going to be plus and minus the square root of 34, 0. So that's 5.8. Well, I put my 5 here. 6 is right on the line, so it's kind of squeeze it in between there. Asymptotes. Your asymptotes this time are going to be y equals, and this time it's, since it's horizontal, it's going to be b over a, so plus and minus b over a so starting at 0, I go up 3 and over 5. Let's see. Up 3 and over 5. It's easier than it looks here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do this. Down 3 and over 5. That should give me some good guidance there. Down 3, right 5, up 3, left 5, Okay, again, make sure that you're going through your vertices. Use your asymptotes to guide you. You want to get close but don't touch.